Right, so today I'll be showing you how to pair and connect AirPods to your Sony Smart TV that's running Google TV. So the first thing you want to do is go to settings. So just grab your remote and then navigate to settings. Under settings, scroll down to remotes and accessories, select that, and then make sure Bluetooth is on. Now with Bluetooth on, you wanna scroll and select pair accessory. Now your TV will start scanning for Bluetooth devices it can pair to. And what you need to do is now is put your AirPods in Bluetooth pairing mode. And to do that, simply open up the case and then long press on the button on the case until the light on that case starts blinking. Now, when it's blinking like that, your TV should detect it. As you can see in the top corner there, the AirPods have been detected. And all you have to do is make sure they're selected and then press OK on your remote to initiate the pairing process. Should take a couple of moments before this window comes up and confirm you want to pair by clicking OK. And they're gonna get paired, as you can see at the bottom there, right? So you can even see them in the list of Bluetooth devices. And now you can take them out of the case, put them in your ears, and use them to listen to any audio coming from your TV. Thanks for watching and good luck.